I'm about to show you some of the top AI side hustles that you can start right away with no experience, skills, or money. And as you can guess from the title, at the top of my list is taking advantage of the TikTok creativity program, which I'll explain towards the end. For now, let's check out some websites for work-from-home jobs, and then I'll talk you through the AI tools you can use to do those jobs and pocket the money. Studypool is a website where you can help people with their homework or answer their questions online. It's like tutoring but from home. If you enjoy helping others learn, this could be a good fit for you. Some tutors on Studypool make as much as $7,500 a month, and you don't need to be a teacher to join. As long as you're willing to help, you're welcome. Next, let's talk about Respondent. This website lets you get paid for sharing your opinions. Companies pay people to join their research studies and give feedback. Some people can make over $500 an hour doing this. If you like finding out new things and giving your opinion, this might be a good place to earn some extra money. YT Jobs is another interesting site. Here, YouTubers post tasks like writing scripts or editing videos. Even big YouTubers like Mr. Beast use this site to find people to help them with their videos. In case you're wondering if you'll be able to do tasks like these, don't worry. In just a moment, I'll tell you about some easy-to-use AI tools. They can help you with things like writing scripts, editing videos, and other tasks that YouTubers need. The best part is that you don't need any special skills or experience to use them. So even if you've never written a script or edited a video, you can still give these tools a try. Now, if you're into designing, you should check out 99 Designs. This website lets you join design contests where you can win cash prizes. The prizes can be as low as a few $100s, but some can go up to several $1,000s. To start, just visit their site, find a contest you like, and send in your design. Whether you enjoy creating logos or designing product labels, this website gives you a chance to show off your skills and make some money. Another cool design platform is Design Crowd. Here you can find a bunch of design jobs, like making logos, and the pay can be anywhere from $100 to over $1,000. Sometimes you can even find gigs that pay a few $100 for a single logo. If they pick your design, you get paid. Design Crowd has a lot of opportunities right now because there aren't as many people competing, so it's a good time to check it out. Plus, logo design is just one of the jobs you can find on this site. Another place to look for jobs is Fiverr. This site has tons of opportunities where you can offer all sorts of services. Whether you like writing, graphic design, voiceovers, or social media work, you can find something that fits your skills. On Fiverr, you get to set your own prices, create different service packages, and work with clients from all over the world. These are just a few places where you can find cool jobs and gigs. You don't need to be an expert or have special qualifications. All you need is a willingness to learn and the ability to deliver good work. Check them out. You might find some awesome opportunities. Now let's talk about the AI tools that you can use to either help you or even entirely do your jobs for you when you land them. If you're looking for different AI tools, Google is a good start, but you should also check out Future Tools. It's a website with all sorts of AI tools sorted into categories. So if you need help designing a logo, you can look under Design, and you'll find a bunch of AI tools that can make things easier. Let's say you land a gig on YT Jobs to write scripts for YouTube creators. These gigs can pay well, and AI tools can be a big help. For example, you can use ChatGPT to help you rewrite scripts for YouTube videos. It might not be perfect, but it's a great starting point. And if you need more options, Future Tools has other AI tools specifically for writing YouTube scripts. Just search YouTube script, pick a tool, sign up for free, and try it out. The best part is you don't need any special skills to use these tools. Another great service you could offer is SEO writing, which helps websites rank higher on Google. It's not as complicated as it sounds. On Fiverr, some freelancers make decent money from it, like $50 for 500 words or $200 for 1,500 words. If you're interested in SEO writing but don't know where to start, there's an AI tool called SEO Writing that can give you a hand. You just type in a keyword, like fat loss exercises, and it helps you create a title and find the right keywords. Then it can generate a full article with just a few clicks. It's a simple way to create SEO content without a lot of experience. Here's another idea. If you're interested in making money by joining research studies on Respondent, where you can earn hundreds of dollars per hour, a tool called AI Employee can help you out. This lets you do research and complete studies almost automatically. You just need a quick tutorial to get started, and you can try it out for free. These are just a few examples of what AI tools can do for you. You can find all kinds of cool tools with a simple Google search or by exploring platforms like Future Tools. Whether you're writing scripts, doing SEO work, or joining research studies, these tools can make things easier and open up some interesting opportunities. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest opportunities that you can take advantage of using AI in 2024 without needing any special skills: the TikTok Creativity Program. If you get 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the past 30 days, you can join the TikTok Creativity Program and earn around 50 cents to $1.50 for every 1,000 views. The best part is, you can use AI tools to make these videos, so you don't have to film anything yourself or even be on camera. If you prefer a faceless TikTok account, it might take a bit longer to build a following, but it's totally doable. A handy AI tool for this is Opus Clip. All you do is paste a link to a long video or podcast, and it automatically creates a TikTok video for you, even if it's more than a minute. Once you've got your video, just upload it to TikTok, and if you're in the creativity program, you could start earning some solid cash. Alternatively, you can use ChatGPT to write scripts for your TikToks. Use 11 Labs to turn the script into a voiceover. Then use AI image generation tools like Leonardo AI for footage. Put it all together in CapCut, upload, and keep going. And you can literally do all of this for free, which is insane. It's just crazy how many opportunities AI has been able to open up for us nowadays. If you want me to make a more detailed video on how to create videos so that you can make money through TikTok, let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe for more like this.